Hello everyone, myself Monica. I have completed my B.TECH in the year 2020, specialized in CSE. I have joined Qspiders in the month of August last week in 2025, and I was given counseling by Hemant sir in a situation where I was having confusion what to do and how to start my career again into IIT side. So I got a good guidance from Hemant sir. He suggested me to take manual testing with automation specialized in Java Selenium. Then, like I have started my course in the month of August itself. I have gone through manual testing and then API testing by Akhil sir, in which it helped me through to get a job and then crack this interview. Then I have got a lot of support in mocks and then presentation sessions. Uh, Even the HRs over here helped me out in like adding me to the requirement. This was the first requirement in which I was added, and then I'm very happy. Like I would say, I have cracked the interview in the first attempt itself. Then a huge thanks to like Qspiders Punjagutta. Thanks for placing me.